In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an ebook using Canva in just 5 minutes. So let's dive right into it. Creating an ebook can be an exciting and rewarding process, especially when you have the right tools at your disposal. Canva is a fantastic online platform that offers you a wide range of templates and design options, making it easy even for beginners to craft something professional and visually appealing. To get started, head over to Canva's website. Once you're there, type ebook into the search bar. You'll see a variety of options appear. These are pre-made templates that can form the basis of your ebook design. The beauty of using Canva is the flexibility it provides. You're not starting with a blank page, which is ideal if you're not a professional designer. Next, take a moment to browse through the designs that pop up. These templates have been crafted with a professional touch, and you're sure to find one that fits the theme and tone of your content. Once you've found a template that speaks to you, click on it to take a closer look. Don't rush this step. Finding a template that aligns with your vision is key to a coherent design process. Now that you've selected a template, click on Customize this template. This step allows you to tailor the design specifically to your needs. Customization is where you can truly make your ebook unique. You can change colors, fonts, images, and more. It might be tempting to jump ahead, but take the time here to ensure every element is in harmony with your overall vision. Remember, a consistent theme will make your ebook more professional and enjoyable to read. Once the customization is underway, make sure to edit the elements to your liking. Replace the sample text with your own content. If your ebook is about travel, for example, consider adding images that resonate with the places you're discussing. Use Canva's library of free photos or upload your own. Adjust the fonts to reflect the tone of your work, something bold for an edgy design, or perhaps a softer typeface for a reflective piece. Also think about page transitions. They don't just mark the change of pages, but should also complement the flow of your narrative. Finally, once you're satisfied with your design, take a moment to preview the entire ebook. Look at it as if you were the reader, ensuring that the content flows logically and the design is appealing throughout. Once everything is perfect, you can download it as a PDF or share it directly if that's more suitable for your audience. Creating an ebook with Canva is straightforward and accessible even if you're new to design. It gives you the tools to produce something polished and professional, all while being incredibly user-friendly. So go ahead and unleash your creativity. Good luck with your ebook.